So I mean, already we do in haematology work with multidisciplinary teams. So hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, particularly allogeneic, you do need to interact with a lot of specialties. So in a sense, this is extending, integrating CAR Ts into clinical practice is extending that working relationship, maybe firming it up with specific specialties like ITU and neurology, but it's a similar principle. I think the very different way of working is with the pharmaceutical companies, because in the past they'd develop a new drug, they'd get it licensed, they'd get it funded, and then really we could use it, without their involvement. Whereas now they remain involved. They're involved in the manufacturing. They have their own quality assurance systems, and it introduces interesting questions. So, for example, if you want to use a CAR T product in a patient who's just outside of the licensed indication, maybe they're a little bit too young, or maybe they've got disease in slightly the wrong place, doesn't quite fall under the license. In the past, we'd be able to use a drug in that indication. We have governance systems within our hospitals where we can use unlicensed medications fairly easily as long as they're funded. Whereas now we've got the drug company who usually are much less flexible in working outside of a license. So quite how these issues will be resolved, I don't know, but it's a fascinating time.